everyone and welcome. My name is Tia and you have reached my channel here at Calm Creations Papyrophilia, and today I'm going to show you it's an old concept but it's new to me and it is just revolutionary. So I'm going to show you a laminated pouch which I have made for my stitchy planner. And I'm going to show you just how easy it is. So this is the pouch here. It's clear and it opens at the top. Take it out. Move that out of the way. It opens at the top here, at the back, and you can put anything in there. So you see it's open there. You can put receipts, you can put a pattern, you can put anything you like in there, but I'm going to show you just how easy it is to make. So all you need is 2 laminating pouches, and I've made mine for the classic happy planner, but you can make yours any size you like. So I've got one normal pouch that I haven't cut, and then this one I've cut to the size of the happy planner, which is 9 1/4 on the long edge by 7 across. So that's just cut from that. So what you're going to do is you're going to separate them. This is how easy it is. It is just mind blowing. Separate them. You're going to put them back to back so that the glossy shiny sides are together, and then these are the 2 pieces that I've made for the top band. You don't have to have anything on it, you can have it clear, I just wanted something a little bit decorative, so I've gone ahead and pre-cut those, and they measure, that one there is 6 3/4 by 1 inch, and this piece, the contrasting piece, is 7 inches, so it's the full width of the laminating stuff that I've already cut. 7 inches by 1 1/4. So I'm just going to glue those on there, just so that they don't move around. So I'm just using tacky glue, just a little bit to hold it on so it doesn't move. You don't need a lot. And those sizes just give it a nice border. Got that bit of plump. So I'm just going to eyeball that to where I think it looks good. Move that over a little bit, about there. Now, you're going to open your big laminating pouch that you haven't cut. This is mind-blowing. It really is. You're going to open that up. You're going to place your 2 pieces in. Remember, glossy sides together. You can just stick them anywhere in there as long as they're together and straight on top of each other. It doesn't matter if they're not straight in the pouch because we're going to trim it down. So that's like that, and then we're just going to put our piece that we cut. Now you can round the corners, you don't have to, and that up to there where it's straight, and then close our pouch. Everything's lined up. It does tend to shift a little bit, so you just have to watch that, and then you're just going to run that through the laminator. I've got mine here warming up. So when that's done, I will show you. And you can make double pockets, you can make, I'll show you a double one that I did. So this is my little journal that I made a few weeks ago now, and you can make little double pockets. So that one there just slides out, and I've just got little bits in there, and it's top opening. This one's got no decorative bits, but I can store all my little bits and pieces in there, and it just slides into the back of my journal, and there it is. And you can write on that with a dry erase marker, same with the other one, and it's just so clever. Right, that one's just about finished. Okay, so that's what you end up with, and then we're just going to trim it down. Get my paper trimmer. Now we don't want to cut into the seals on the sides, so I'm just going to trim that piece off on the side. Trim it off at the bottom. Other side. Now when you go to, you're going to trim the top, but you're just going to take a tiny little slither off the top of there, and that will then open your pouch. So just put that in there. We'll see if we can get it all right the way across there. And then, by rights, the back part will open, and you've got a pouch. And then I just punch it with my Happy Planner punch and put it in my journal. So I'll do that now, but I'll speed this bit up. And there you have it. You have a little pouch for your planner, classic Happy Planner. So that was the one I'd already made. Put that one in. And you've got storage. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed that little tutorial on how to make the top loading laminated pouch. Thank you. Bye.